we've talked to a number of operators who are considering using a self-serve system, and a lot of the questions are about, what am I going to make? I mean, what's the opportunity in this self-serve market? So what we like to do is we like to look at pro formas. And what is a pro forma? A lot of people think when you bring up an idea of pro forma, they kind of lose it because it sounds complicated, but it really isn't. And what we've done is we've actually made a simple pro forma, which allows a potential operator to consider a number of different ways to look at his business or her business to determine what kind of profit and loss they'll be facing as they get into a self-serve operation. So let's talk about what a pro forma actually is. Well, number one, it really is about calculating some financial results using certain projections or assumptions. I just want to remind everyone that iPort collects a lot of data for our operators so they can use in their business. And we use that data as well to kind of get an idea of what a particular location is, how they're going to perform. And we use some of that historical and known data to help operators be more successful. So we use these assumptions, this historical data, which improves our predictive success. And that's what we're going to be talking about here. So this can also be used for aiding in developing your business plan or your investment structure. A lot of potential operators who we speak to really use this to then present to the investors who are planning to participate in their business. And again, we like to look at it a couple of different ways, and we're going to be talking about volume and occupancy, and it will make a little bit more sense as we start going through the assumptions. So let's just take these assumptions. These are the considerations. Number of taps. What's our product offering? Are we going to be offering food or no food? What's the selling price of our product? What's the cost of goods? What's the size of our location? What's my seat count, both inside and outside? What's my seasonality for my area? Is it 50% of the time people will be using the patio, or is it only 25% of the time? What's the spend per visit? And we're going to use some historical data to help you with that. What's my turnover? How many people am I going to have, or patrons am I going to have during a period of a Monday versus a Friday versus a Sunday? What's my total patron count per year? And then we also want to look at our lease expense. That's very important in developing a pro forma. Call us at 949-270-0556 or download the free worksheet so we can set up a time to walk you through the process. We'll use the assumptions along with historical data collected from iPort systems to build a self-pour pro forma for your operation. We look forward to working with you, and let's build this pro forma together.